Look at those cookies, Robin. Are you hungry? Are you going to eat one? No, Robin. Don't eat all of them at once. Why did you do that? Now you'll get hiccups. Come on, Robin. Don't make a fuss out of it. See, Robin, it's only hiccups. Such a drama, Prince. Drinking some water will surely help you. Oops! Oh no! Now Snow White has hiccups too. Beast, you have to help Robin and Snow White. They have hiccups. What is Beast up to? A scare? Good idea. Aww, you look so cute, Beast. Oh no, another hiccup victim. Your friends are having a contagious hiccups, Alice. They need your help. A spider! Wait, that's not a real spider. That's a toy. It's real! It's real! You're so naughty, Alice. Hey, it worked. No more hiccups. Yay! The spider cured you. Not again. Nothing good on TV, girls? Wow, a horror movie. It looks so spooky. Hey, Snow White, where are you going? That's right. A movie is always better with popcorn. Hurry up, or you're going to miss the entire film. Come on, it's taking so long. Popcorn is ready. Now the show can go on. Where did all the popcorn go? No way! Did you eat all the popcorn already? That's a lot of popcorn, Little Mermaid. Quick! You're going to miss the film. Popcorn has arrived. It's your turn, Aurora. That's a crazy amount of popcorn, Aurora. You have to be really careful. Aurora, wake up. Uh-oh! I guess it wasn't a good idea to leave Aurora in charge.
Playing with magic, Rapunzel. You created another Alice. Oh no, she's evil. You have to stop her, girls. Stop! You're making a mess. Hey, give that back. Don't run away. You have to clean this chaos. No, Sleeping Beauty, it wasn't her. Oh no. This mayhem has to end. She's getting worse. What are you doing? No, Snow Queen. She didn't do it. There are 2 Alices. Evil Alice is gone. Much better.
Wolf, are you going to Rapunzel's birthday party? You look ravishing. But be careful. This forest is full of slime. It seems it's about to rain. Calm down, Wolf. It's only water. Watch out for the slime. Are you waiting for Wolf, girls? That must be him. Let's get the party started. Oh no! What's wrong? Ugh! Wolf reeks of slime. Looks like Little Mermaid and Rapunzel have a plan. It's bath time, Wolf. Oh, right. Wolf is scared of water. Stop it! Rapunzel and Little Mermaid just want to help you. Are you okay, girls? Oh no! Wolf is gone. He's nowhere to be found. I see. Wolf's slimy feet are leaving footprints everywhere. So Rapunzel is taking care of the tracking. But where is Little Mermaid? It looks like Wolf went back to his room. What's wrong? Jeepers! This is disgusting! Good thinking, Rapunzel. Let's clean this place first. Well done. There's Wolf. Get him. Be careful in the kitchen, guys. Hey, that's playing dirty. Looks like Wolf found a place to hide. Ooh, so Little Mermaid was preparing a bath for Wolf all along. He fell right into the girl's trap. Wolf's going to fall right into the tub. See, Wolf? You don't have to be afraid of water. What can it be now? Well, It looks like Wolf has got some cleaning to do. Playing with magic, Little Mermaid? You created another beast. Oh no! He's evil! You have to stop him! Stop! You're making a mess! Hey! Give that back! Don't run away! You have to clean this chaos! No, Belle! It wasn't him! Oh no! This mayhem has to end! He's getting worse! What are you doing? No, Snow Queen! He didn't do it! There are two beasts! Evil beast is gone! Much better.
Happy birthday, Alice. Make a wish. Wait, Beast and Rapunzel want to play you a song. What a way to start the party. Now you can blow the candle. Wow, what a big present, Beast. Another one? Finally! I think your present just escaped, Alice. Yay! Face painting time! You look really funny, Alice. A piñata! Have fun! Birthday balloons! How cool! Uh-oh! What a mess! Wait! What are you looking at, Alice? Yay! Your cake survived! It's a magic candle! It doesn't blow off! That's so nice of you, Little Mermaid. A bit of water will help with this heat. Oh no! It's empty! There has to be another way to fight this heat.
Snow
Snow Queen says you've had enough ice creams for today. Be careful, Little Mermaid. The magic wand is not a toy. Oh no! Prince is trapped in a block of ice. Quick, Snow Queen, do something. You need to unfreeze Prince. The magic wand is totally broken. It doesn't work anymore. Wow, this hairdryer is super powerful. It will melt the ice in no time. Uh-oh. I think this didn't go as planned. Good idea. It's so hot today that the sun will melt the ice. Oh, wait. Girls, stop. I think Prince is feeling sick. Are you feeling cold, Prince? Wait. What are you planning to do with that, Snow Queen? This is what you plan to do with Prince? Finally, someone with a bit of common sense. What? That is even more dangerous. Run, Prince, run! Watch your step, Prince. The magic wand is just there. Finally! Prince can move again. This is what happens when you play with magic wands. Next time, you'll learn to be more careful. Wow! Did you build it yourself, Belle? You need to catch his attention, Snow White. Yes, that will work. Oh, wow. Bella's really going all in. You're going to have to go big, Snow White. Caramel apples. What a great idea. They look so yummy. Wow, that looks so much fun. Uh-oh. Oh no, it looks like it broke down. You both can use Snow White's stand. That's right. Sharing with friends is always more fun.